Hello class 10 student. Today I shall be teaching you the second part of the lesson, two stories about flying. The second part is the black aeroplane. So the lesson Black Aeroplane by Frederick Forsyth reflects on how one's judgment gets distorted due to fantasizing and how it creates problems. The story Black Aeroplane is about a pilot who feels happy and contented to fly over a city that is sleeping, means at the night time. He is flying from Paris to London. While taking his flight, he dreams about the long holiday with his family. He also fantasizes about the breakfast he would have upon landing. As soon as he crosses Paris, he gets a look of the dark clouds that were a sign of storm, upcoming storm. The right decision would have been to return back to Paris for the sake of safety of his passenger, but he didn't do that. He, being overshadowed by his dreams and not wanting to delay them, risks the life of his passenger and heads straight towards the storm. Everything gets dark. He is unable to see. All his instruments stopped functioning and he lost control over the plane. When all hope was lost, he saw another plane whose pilot was more than willing to rescue them. Means he saw another plane who was trying to help them to come out of the storm or the cloud. The author was panicking as there was very less amount of fuel left in the plane. The anonymous pilot, anonymous means one who is not known, an unknown pilot. So the anonymous pilot guided them out of the storm and suddenly it disappeared as soon as they saw the light. Upon landing, when he asks the lady in the control room about the other pilot, he is left in shock when she says that his was the only plane in the sky. He is left astonished. Astonished means surprised and shocked, with a lot of questions unanswered in his mind.